Hey guys, want to know if the Liven app is really worth your time or just another subscription trap? So today we're talking about it, about what it does, what people are saying, and whether I'd call it legit or proceed with caution. So the app pitches itself as a self-discovery and mental wellness tool. You start by completing an onboarding questionnaire, then you track your mood, build routines, and take bite-sized courses, and even chat with the AI companion Liven for reflections and prompts. The core idea is, by increasing your self-awareness and daily habit work, you'll boost emotional well-being. And now let us talk about what people are saying. So many users found the onboarding easy to use, the mood track is simple, and the tone of the app supportive rather than judgmental. The AI companion feature got positive remarks. It asked the deeper questions that some users expected, providing a kind of reflection buddy. On the company side, in reviews, many users said the customer support responded quickly and helped with refunds, concerns when needed. And now, what people are complaining about, and also red flags. Some reviews say that the features behind the paywall are limited and the cost is high relative to the value they experienced. Then there are reports of being charged unexpectedly, unclear trial and renewal terms, and difficulty cancelling. For example, someone said, I thought I unsubscribed, but still got charged for months. Then, for users looking for highly customized plans or deep therapeutic content, the app may feel generic or not specialized enough. And as with many wellness/self-help apps, personal mood and emotion data is collected and you should check the privacy policy. Some users expressed concern. So now, in a verdict, is it legit or a scam? Well, my verdict is that it is, in a sense that the app exists and works in some capacity, and many users seem genuinely to get benefit, but it's not hype-free. It has enough red flags that it demands caution. In the other words, not a scam in the classical sense of you pay and nothing exists, but it can feel like you're not getting full value if you expect more than it offers. So it's worth exploring if you're after a self-discovery tool and are willing to engage with it. But don't assume it's a golden ticket. It demands commitment and the cost may be high compared with usage. If you do try it, go in aware. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Hopefully you enjoy, and thanks for watching.